Hi, welcome back to one more unboxing video with shafimon.com. I'm Shafimon with you. Today I bring Sigma 70mm macro art lens. It's a newbie from Sigma. Let me open this. As like all the art series lenses, they have instruction manual, warranty card, we can keep it as a side, and the beautiful padded pouch, the black one. Also a regular thing from art series, and this is the lens which we bought. I took this from AAB World Kuwait. They are the authorized distributors here in Kuwait. We have a normal hood, it's a plastic, and the lens is very lightweight. Let me open from the plastic, and this is the thing. It's very cute lens, a very small one, and it has a filter thread of 49mm. This is the first look of this lens. You all can see the first look. Very light and compact, lightweight. This has a focus limiter switch, AF and MF, and this has a focus limiter switch also. So we can fix it from 0.5 meter to 2.258 or 0.5 meter and above. So this is the limiter, and this has a rubber gasket here for weather sealing. A beautiful art symbol, a wide focus ring. So if somebody wants to make a manual focus, it's very good to have a manual focus. So let's connect this one to my camera. I have a Sony A7R3 camera. So let me connect this one. I bring this one Canon mount, so I just bought MC11 adapter. This is coming with Sony mount also. Now this lens is coming with an Nikon mount, Canon mount, and Sony mount. So you can choose any mount for this one. So let me open this. The main advantage of this one, if you turn the focus ring, you can turn a lot. You can turn a lot. Then only the main the focus distance, it is marked over here on the bayonet. So we can read it. It's written 1.1, 1.1.1 like that. So it's written all the focus limits. You can see here on the lens. So this is the overall size of this lens. So I just came today to show you all the first look and unboxing of this one. If you are not comfortable with this projection from this lens, you can just fix your hood. So it's covering properly with this one. So you don't worry about the projection, and while you're shooting, you don't want to touch the element. You can fix your hood, and it will help you to control the light also. So this is the overall first look of this lens. It's an amazing build, good quality, very lightweight. You can use it with this type of cameras. It's very good because it's a high resolution lens. So you have to have a high resolution camera for better production. So I will be back with more test shots and reviews for this lens. I'm gonna start shooting today with this lens. You can visit my website shafimon.com, and you can follow me in YouTube Magic Hands 07. That is my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more reviews and details. Till then, bye bye.